Hello. In this video, we will look at how to output your files required to run your machine or sort by the various NC links able to be output within Vertex BD. The NC links and process will vary dependent on the user's purchase license option. Before running the NC link, it is important to note that panel drawings need to be created and up to date. A warning will be given if this is not the case. To begin, enter the Output tab in the top ribbon and select the NC Output option. Here you can choose the appropriate NC output and then will be presented with the Create Transfer Files window. Here the software lists the panels and data including profile thickness, length, etc. The status field is great to quickly check if a panel's drawing is out of date, as if it is, an X will show in this field for any panel drawing that is out of date or missing. You can then correct and update this before proceeding with outputting your data. To actually create the transfer files, simply select the checkbox of the items that require creating, then hit the Select button. Once done, select Write Output. Any errors in connection will also appear in this separate text file, which you can then review. File name will appear in the appropriate column to show that it has been written. To open and check any file, simply check the box next to the file name and click Open. The file will then open in the appropriate program for you to review. Files can also be removed in this same way. To actually transfer the files to the machine in Windows Explorer, go to the project root directory. NC files will be located within the NC output folder. These will be different dependent on your machine manufacturer. Simply take this folder, copy it to a USB drive, which you can then utilize to transfer the files to the machine. At this stage, please follow the instructions from your machine manufacturer on usage of those files once at the machine. Check out our next video where we'll be looking at a 3D PDF output tool available within Vertex BD. Thanks for watching.